Hey, spice enthusiasts! Today, we're turning up the heat with our fiery sesame chicken. This recipe is a flavor-packed journey, featuring crispy chicken bites smothered in a tongue-tingling sesame glaze. I'm your quirky quest and I can't wait to guide you through this spicy sensation. Before we ignite our taste buds, let's gather our ingredients. 300 grams of chicken breast diced into small chunks. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Salt and pepper, to taste. 1 egg white. 3 tablespoons of cornflour. 25 milliliters of cold water, to loosen mixture. 1 tablespoon of groundnut, peanut, oil. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 red chilli deseeded and finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, to garnish. 1 spring onion thinly sliced, to garnish. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. 1 tablespoon of sriracha. 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon of honey. In a medium bowl, mix together soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, ketchup, sriracha, rice wine vinegar, honey. Set aside. In large bowl, add the chicken breast, soy sauce, salt, pepper and egg white mix until combined. Add the cornflour and water to chicken mixture and mix again until combined. Heat the oil in a pan until very hot, then cook the chicken for 5 minutes on each side until golden and crispy all over, then remove from the pan. Clean the pan out with a kitchen towel, then add the sauce to the pan and cook on medium heat until simmering. Add the crispy chicken to the sauce and toss until coated in the sauce. Add the sesame oil, red chili and sesame seeds and mix until combined. Garnish with spring onion and sesame seeds. And there you have it. Your fiery sesame chicken is ready to take your taste buds on a thrilling journey. If you're ready for a spicy adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy the heat, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!